Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use a cheater bar on your ratchet. You got a nut or a bolt that you can't get off and you've done everything you can and you need a little extra. I'm going to show you how to use a 12-inch crescent wrench as a cheater bar to help you break that nut free. So here we go. I got this trailer. And here we go. Get down under here. Oh, I can't even get under here. Okay, here we go. Okay, right here. Got this nut right here. If you can see this nut right here. This one here, can't break that loose. So I put it on there and I'm trying to break it loose. Put it over here. Okay, what do I do? Here we go, take this crescent wrench. I need a little bit of extra, so just put this crescent wrench on that handle right there. And then you have the crescent wrench, all that leverage from the crescent wrench down, and you can go broke it loose. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. That crescent wrench. That's what I needed. That little extra leverage there and pop that thing loose. So there you go. That's how it's done. I got